My name is Lucia Madriz, and I'm coming from Costa Rica, and I'm installing a piece at the Math Museum. The piece says modified seed contaminated food, and it is about genetic modified organisms and all these products that are in the market and we don't know about, and we keep eating since the 90s. The piece is made of corn, black beans, red beans, and rice, and it is made of these materials because this is like the Latin American and Caribbean basic diet. But not only so, rice is very important in Asia, and beans are very important in Africa. So we're talking here about like basic crops that are almost part of every diet in the planet. A lot of countries import rice and corn and soy and wheat from the States. So the habits, agricultural habits that are having in the United States, those are the ones we are acquiring, you see? So it's like we cannot talk anymore about in my country and in your country. We are already eating everything, it's like we eat sushi and we eat Indian and we eat Mexican, we are consuming all these products, so it is not anymore somebody else's business, it's all of us business. I think it's like we heard all of these environmental problems, genetic modified food, global warming, and I think we feel sometimes like we cannot do anything, but it's not true. We make decisions every day, if we waste, if what we buy, so we can start making those decisions, not just making shopping, but making decisions and supporting what we need to support.